sir. Yes, sir. We got another one cooked up for y'all today, man. Listen, so we got a video for Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Turns a Traffic Ticket into a Felony, man. God dang. Into a felony? Come on, man. Let's get to it, man. I'm hyped up today, man. Today, Friday. Let's go.
Hey, how's it going? Can I get your license, registration, insurance, please? Is there a reason that you couldn't stay in your lane?
Maybe it was too dark, and my lights, vintage 1998. That's only one reason.
Your registration and your insurance.
Yes, I don't have any proof.
Okay, who's your insurance through?
State Farm.
Okay. All right, can you just step out of the car while I run your license, please?
You're done. She's smacked. You're done. It's over. You can see in her eyes. It's a wrap.
Where do you live at?
Abernon.
Where?
I can never pronounce the name. Abernon.
Okay, is it the...
No, that's not on the license.
It's not. Okay.
Right. 40 Abernon.
Okay.
Northport 312.
Okay, and where'd you say you were coming from?
For Charlotte, my friend's house.
Okay. All right, just hang tight for me.
Oh, yeah. She better get ready. She better get ready to do them field sobriety tests. It's about to go down. She all tatted. I remember there was a point in time where cops and law enforcement and stuff couldn't have tattoos. Crazy how much times have changed, right? She backing up to give her that room, man. About to do them field sobriety tests in between the cars. Oh, yeah.
Ma'am, stay here. I'm gonna tell you again.
Get out of the car, now.
You're not gonna refuse my command. You understand that? That's not how it works. Stand over there.
Why are you trying to get back in the car?
I want to turn the
No,
engine
that's not how it
down,
works.
so I don't want to burn.
When you're
it.
ordered on traffic
No.
stop to stop, you need to stop.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
No, I just want to turn the fuel, gas.
She don't want to burn the
Okay, we're not
gas.
talking about that right now. How much have you had to drink tonight at your friend's house? Okay, because I can smell it coming from you. So, are we going to continue to lie, or are you going to tell me how much you've had to drink tonight?
No.
Okay, so are you willing to conduct some field sobriety exercises to see if you're okay to drive?
Mm-hmm.
You are? Okay. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
No.
Okay. Come over here and stand right here facing me, please.
I don't think it's a bad thing to try and turn off the vehicle, though.
Put your toes all the way together like mine are. I want you to follow the top of my green pen with your eyes and your eyes only without moving your head. Does that make sense?
Hold on. I get what she was doing by, don't go back in the car and stuff like that. But all she was saying is, I'm trying to turn off the car so I don't waste gas. I don't think that's a bad thing. You know what I'm saying? I mean, the officer could have said, all right, you can't go in the car, but do you mind? I'll turn off the vehicle. I don't think that's a bad thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, she ain't going nowhere, man. She ain't running away, bruh.
What is wrong?
I need to go to pee.
Okay, well, I can't help you with that right now.
Where are you going?
I have to go number 2.
Okay, well, we're not doing that right now.
Well,
No.
you have
No.
Yeah, you do.
No. All right.
Ma'am.
All right, stop.
Man, you need to stop that.
All right, you're under.
Oh yeah, she
You're
about to
under.
take a
You need to
poop.
stop.
Eh?
You need to stop. This is not how you want to work. This is not how you want to do this stuff. No. That's a negative. What are you doing?
I have to pee.
No.
Okay, you can pee
Nope,
yourself.
you're under arrest.
Stop
You
doing
might
that.
as well just let her because she's gonna go anyways.
Well,
3 Edward 12 North Bar. I've got a 1 white female, 10-15.
Oh, yo!
why are you doing this?
Because you're drunk.
No.
Okay.
Hey, she needs to,
She going to the bathroom?
that's obstruction as well.
Yes, absolutely. Twice.
No.
Are you done? Are you done peeing? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let me get some gloves on. You can put her right here. She's already tried to get in her car once, so just.
She wanted to get in the car to turn the gas off, man. Turn the car off, bruh.
We'll agree to disagree.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
Right in center console. Stop lying.
Oh yeah, you definitely gonna need them gloves, boy.
What's in your back pocket?
For doing so. Fantastic.
Yo, you can see the yellow stain in the back of the thing. Oh my god.
Let's strap this back. Did you really poop yourself?
Yeah, right.
That's gross.
You can see the stain in the back.
Great getting drunk drivers like you off the road. Let me.
Yeah, you double up.
Yeah.
And then this is might be her house key, so you can take it on the coffee.
All right.
Passenger side.
Yep. Go ahead.
I need your whenever you have get your cell phone.
She was charged with resisting an officer without violence, DUI, and threatening a cop or their family.